So we're here today. We're going to be doing a hot water tank replacement. We're replacing this John Wood Pro Series tank. You can see down here it's been leaking. It's leaking out of the bottom, down one of the legs. So we're going to take him out, and the customer is actually upgrading to a 75-gallon high-efficient tank here. So we got this John Wood 75-gallon power direct vent, high efficient tank, and we're going to be installing that today. So it's a brand new installation. It requires a gas permit, and we're going to be removing that hot water tank vent from the V-vent stack and capping that off. And we're also going to be running S636 PVC up here and then out the sidewall. So we'll do a little after video when we're done. We've also been here doing some other work. Here's a little nice laundry sink with a nice Mullen tap that we installed, and new laundry connections here. So you can see there we tied into the stack. There's a 2-inch backwater valve there, and yeah, so that's what we're doing today. And I'll post a little after video when we're done this water heater installation so you can see.